Now let's hear it from Mamata Banerjee. The TMC Supremo and West Bengal Chief Minister says the verdict is illegal and we'll challenge it.
বোমা ফাটাবেন বোমা কি বোমা না তো 26,000 টিচারদের চাকরি চলে যাবে। আমিও বলে রাখি আমরাও লড়ে যাব, লড়াই করব। যাদের কথা বলা হয়েছে চাকরি বাতিল করা হলো, চিন্তা করবেন না, হতাশ হবেন না, কেউ জীবনের ঝুঁকি নেবেন না। আমরা সবাই আপনাদের পাশে আছি এবং যতদূর লড়াই করার আমরা লড়াই করব।
We go across to Shreya joining us live with more details. Shreya, the BJP is not just calling for the Chief Minister's resignation but also her arrest given the court's verdict. But Mamata Banerjee appears to be very confident in hitting back at the criticism that's coming in from the BJP, says the TMC will weigh in on all legal options. But decode that reaction that's coming from the TMC Supremo for us.
Of course, we see that there is a TMC versus BJP in the state after this big judgment by Calcutta High Court. Remember, the entire panel of 2016 SSC recruitment has been declared null and void. All appointments from 9 to 12 standard and Group C and D category where irregularities were found has been declared null and void. Now, almost 25,000 jobs are at stake. So we see BJP hits out at the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's government, says that she should resign. The cabinet is to take responsibility. It is a question of collective responsibility. This is what BJP is saying. We also see Calcutta High Court's former Calcutta High Court's judge Abhijit Ganguly holding a press conference and saying that this is very illegal what Mamata Banerjee's government has done and she should definitely resign. Now Chief Minister also hits back at Abhijit Ganguly, questions the kind of judgment that the Calcutta High Court have passed today, says that the Calcutta High Court have said to return the salaries of the people whose appointment have been cancelled. Chief Minister says that if I ask this judge to return their salaries, will it be possible for them? Says that you have seen how Abhijit Ganguly have joined the
TMC,
BJP
of
party.
course, worrying about the crisis management as well. But the BJP says it's not just limited to Partha Chatterjee. Each and every TMC leader must be questioned and says that all of them were involved as far as this scam is concerned.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.